Okay guys, welcome to Nature Graphs. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to design a birthday flyer just like this. So without wasting your time, let's get right into it. So I set my width to 4000, my height 4000, then the resolution 300, then I'll create. Okay, so I go to file, place embedded, then select the image I want to use as background for this project. Okay, so I can come down here and select gradient fill, then I'll change the color. So the color code I used is 442211. Then I press OK. Then I'll change the color here to the same color code, 442211. Okay. Then I can adjust it a bit. The aim is just to make the bottom part of the background darker. So I can change the opacity to 95. Okay, I think it's okay. Then I'll bring in the model I'll be using for this design. No, it does not picture it. Okay. Then I can resize and place it properly. Okay, so what I did there is I created a clipping mask on the image that I brought in. Then I select brush just to brush the lower part of the image, just to give me space for the write-up I wanted to put. The write-up I want to put below it. So it's as simple as that. Then I go to filter, then I select camera raw. Edit your image and make it pop out a bit. Alright, so that's what I want to do. So I'll make the temperature let's say 10. Okay, then the white 20, then black 20, temperature 100, then the vibrance let's say 10, then saturation 8, then click OK. So you can set the before and after. Before, after. Okay, so we're good. So here I'll bring in the 60 icon. So I just drag the layout of the 60 icon to the back of the image. It's as simple as that. Having done that, then I'll give it the color overlay using the same color code, but I think it's too dark, so I'll need to make it lighter. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay. Alright, so I'll bring in the happy birthday icon too. Okay. Then I'll change the color to, I'll give it the color overlay. Yeah. Okay. Then I'll come to text, change the font to Trajan bold. Okay. Okay, so I copy that to write the th. Now edit it. Then I'll resize it and place it where it's supposed to be. So at this point, if you're a first time viewer on this channel and you've not subscribed to this channel, please, this would be a perfect time for you to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So I'll change the font here to Cinzel Decoration Bold. So the name of this font is Cinzel Decorative. So I'm using bold. The line width I'm using is bold. Okay. So I'll copy that, Ctrl J, and I'll bring it down and edit. Okay, so there's a write-up I want to put down here, so I'll change the font to Montserrat regular. So I write the text. Okay. Okay, I think we're good now. So come to text again and put something down here. So I'll change the font to Montserrat regular again. So in case you don't know what I did here to expand the space in between the texts, I hold my Alt, then I tap the left direction button. So you can either use the left or the right direction button just to give you the spacing that you need. So I'll bring in the verification icon. If you've watched the birthday flyer that I uploaded, the video of birthday flyer that I did earlier, I think that was last year. I think you'll be familiar with this particular aspect that I'm working on right now. So it's like my signature. Okay, so I'll go to rectangle and create a border between the elements. Okay. Okay, so on the name I want to put a realistic gold texture on it. So this is how to do it. After placing the realistic gold, then you hold Alt, place your cursor in between the two elements, then clip it together. Right. So I'll change the color of this verification icon. I'll pick a color from this arc here and OK. So next thing, I'll bring in the flower for the edges. Right click, flip horizontal. The flip horizontal is used if you want to mirror a particular image. Flip vertical is when you want to turn the image upside down, vice versa. Okay, so copy that and place the second one at the top, or you rotate and place at the top. Okay, so go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, then set the radius to 10 just to blur the flower a little bit, and we're done. You can save our project now and give it any name possible. So I'll give it birthday flyer. Okay, save as PNG, save, then you can click OK. So guys, this will be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.